Are you ready to unlock the full potential of ChatGPT for free? Let's get you started quickly and easily. First, we'll set up ChatGPT on your laptop. Open your web browser and navigate to chat.openai.com. Click Sign Up if you're new, or Log In if you already have an account. Follow the on-screen instructions, and voila! You're all set to start chatting. Now, let's get ChatGPT on your mobile device. Open your App Store or Google Play Store. Search for ChatGPT in the search bar and locate the official app. Tap Install and wait for the download to complete. Once installed, open the app and log in with your credentials. It's that simple. And there you have it. ChatGPT is now at your fingertips, anytime, anywhere. Enjoy your chatting experience. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.